Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm in Lanna Thara in Nong Khwai, and I'll be showing you this beautiful house which has the main house and guest house. The total space is 158 square wa and 389 square meters, 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Come on in. This is the main house. Once you walk in the main house, you will see this beautiful area of living room. Look at all the wood and furniture. Looks really nice. And right here is dining area. Look at that beautiful big table with 6 chairs. Right here is the kitchen. And another dining room as well. Look at there. Here's the counter. You have electric stove, induction fan, oven, a microwave, refrigerator, and the sink. Now let me show you like a fitness area or storage room right here. This is the bathroom with the shower room. Nice. And this is another bathroom right next to it. I love the style. And right here is a storage room. And here is the study room or relaxing room. Wow. Yes, and now let's go check out the second floor. And this is the second floor. Look at this big wood furniture. Looks really nice. Right here is the master bedroom. Wow. It's very spacious and beautiful. Right here is the door to the balcony. You can go relax outside, add some table and chairs. Right here is the walk-in closet. Here is the bathroom with big shower room. And this is the next bedroom, which is currently being used as a relaxing room or study room. You also have this door to the balcony. And here is another bedroom with big closet. You have the window here, you can open and let some air in, big bed, and also the bathroom is right here. Wow, with marble, beautiful. And this shower area. And this is the living area outdoors, which is really nice, right next to the garden. And now I'll be showing you the guest house. Right here, the storage room. This is the maid room. And look at this. You can play pool at home. Now let's go check out the second floor. And this is the kitchen, small kitchen. Right here is the stove, induction fan, sink, microwave, dining table. And here's the bathroom. This is the toilet, sink and mirror. And this is the second floor, living area, and you can also see downstairs. Now let me show you the bedroom. Oh, very cute. This is the bedroom here. And you have this little corner with the sink, really nice. Here's the shower room and the toilet. And for the second bedroom, you have double beds, really cute. I love it. And here is another toilet with shower area. And this is the workshop, which is being used for bicycle at the moment, and you can turn it into any workshop you like. And this is another living area outside where you can relax. Anyways, we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!